Hey guys, this is Gene Cover, your web developer, and so they've asked me to do a very quick video for you. They've coined it the web dating video, and the reason for that is because if you've ever been on speed dating or seen speed dating, they want me to go through as quickly as possible and share with you some details in terms of how we did this, who we are, what we do, and how we can help your business. Okay, so real quickly here, and that's the reason for the speed. So here's the deal. Basically, if you're looking at this website wondering, how the heck did they do this and this and this, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you through and show you. Basically, these are menus. This entire website was probably 75% built from the moment that the person signed up and entered their information, because the designs are basically templates. They're basically laid out in a way that all you have to do is select the design that you want, and once you select that design, you're going to get a website that looks like this. Okay, basic layout, pretty simple. You're going to get all of your buttons going across the top. Now, if you want to add pages to the website, you simply click on this link and you figure out what type of page you want. And then, of course, once you select that page, it's going to look a lot like this. Or if you click on About Us, it's going to look like this. And if you want to add contact to the page, click the green button up here. You can go in and you can edit and add all kinds of pictures. Just choose them from your computer. If you want to change or add the content, you click Edit, and you can cut and paste your content right in here, and then simply apply and add your content right to the website. Your pictures will rotate, your content will be listed as so. Now here on the right hand side, for most programmers, it's pretty expensive or time consuming for them to go in and create all of the things that I'm about to show you. Basically, if you want to search for your website, that's a built-in search button. All we did here was click the add button. We went down to the e-commerce feature and we simply added a product search. We can add gift certificates, we can add coupons, package tracking. Like if you look right here, you'll see if they're shipping, if that's what you use, FedEx, UPS, USPS, whatever it is, you can put in a tracking link, and basically someone can type in their tracking numbers and whatever those numbers are, and then they click track and it'll tell them if their package has tracked or not. Okay, so then you can list all of your products. You have your SSL, which is your secure cert, that basically tells the person that they're shopping on a website that is secure. All of these pictures that are rotating here in the middle, you just click on edit header. Okay, and then you can look at the different banner settings that are available. You can go in and create rotating banners by just going in. Here are the rotating banners. There's only 2 of them at the moment, but if you want to add more, you simply click on this link right here, and then you can upload them from your computer, or if they're already uploaded into the system, then of course you can select one of these. And basically that's how you get rotating banners on your website. It's actually a very simple process and system. Here's your store. Your store is very simple for you to update and make changes to. All you do is go into the product section. You can click on edit product, create a product name, a product ID, a short description, long description, and then decide whether the product's going to be, here's the price, here's the sales price, here's how much it weighs. Why are we putting in the weight? Because our system ties in with the shipping services like USPS, FedEx, and DHL and UPC, US shipping services. And what happens here is it will say, oh, it's $50. Well, or it's 50 pounds. It costs X amount of dollars to ship that product, and they'll add that to the shopping cart for the customer. You can decide if it's a new arrival. You can load in large pictures and small pictures. And basically, when you're done, that's how you get this type of layout where, here's the price and the sale price and how much the person is saving. They can click and add this product right to their shopping cart. Okay, this is a title and it's a price that you certainly want in the shopping cart, and then they can decide if they want, hey, I changed my mind, I want 100 of those, and they click update. Then it changes the price, and when they check out, it'll charge them tax based on where they're currently located. Okay, so then we've got quick bars up here, very easy to update and change. Let's go back to the home page here. Let's click edit page, which is also going to open up the site for this menu right here. You just click on the edit button just like that, and you can go in and decide what menus you want up there and what color you want them to be. Okay, so the entire website even at the end of 6 months or 6 days or whatever it is, whenever you want to change it, you can go in, you can click on a link and go in and change the design at any time to any design that you want. All you have to do is go back into the library and make that change. All of your designs are in the design manager. So if you decide that you are going to make a change and you don't like it, you can load in a previous design. Everything is saved. You can decide what text you're going to add to the website, which particular font do you want to use, what do you want your text titles to look like, do you want your links to be blue or brown or tan, whatever you want, you can go in and change them. You can decide what your blog is going to look like. So yes, this website has a built-in blog system, so when you click on add page, you can go here and select the blog, or you can select the calendar. You can go in and create an FAQ page. The FAQ page itself is probably a really nice feature, basically, because in here all you have to do is click edit, and you can click edit again. And once you're on the inside, you just simply add the questions that you want, and at the end of the day you click apply and your questions will show up. And of course these won't make any sense, but it has anchor tags, and everything is built into this website. And if there's anything that you don't like and you want to change it, you just simply slide it around. It's that simple. You go in and you slide the content anywhere you want it to be. So you can point, click, and create your own website, load in pictures. If you decide at some point that you don't need a store, or that you do need a store, you just click on a link and bingo, you now have an instant store, and the store is packed with features. You can set up your products. You have general settings. You can go in and set up the shopping cart settings, the checkout settings, meaning what the customer is going to see when they check out and what kind of information you're going to collect. The shipping options, what shipping provider are you working with. Sales tax gets a lot of people in trouble on the internet if you have to collect tax in a specific zip code, but not all across the country, because naturally you don't want to collect tax in an area that you are not licensed to collect tax, right? Check with your accountant. And then which payment gateway do you want to use? Do you want Google checkout? Do you want PayPal? Do you want checks, Visa, MasterCard? Do you want to integrate it with one of the payment gateways like AuthorizeNet? That's completely up to you. And so basically everything is built into the system here. Inventory control. How about making sure that the 50 products that you have on your website, when you get down to 2 in your inventory, the system pulls that off the website and sends you an alert to let you know you're down to 5, down to 2, or that you have no more of that product left in inventory. Therefore, you don't sell something you don't own. You have email notifications, so your customers can actually get receipts from you when they make a purchase. So they're going to know exactly what they receive. They instantly get an email with a receipt for their taxes or whatever they're doing. And then, of course, you'll get an alert. Then on top of that, you get other great things like upsells. Which product are you selling? You can say, well, add this product. If they buy hammers, they certainly are in a position to buy nails, and here's what other people recommend it. You get customized checkout forms, email notifications to your client, coupon managers, and gift certificates. Coupon manager and gift certificate simply allows you to give your customer a coupon as a discount when they shop at your website, and it'll take 10% off, or 5%, 2%, 50% off with a coupon. Gift certificates, just like walking in a store, buying one for $50, you can come back and redeem that gift certificate. Your customer can get shopping rewards. There's e-commerce tracking. This right here is actually a nice feature. If you're running ads on Google or Yahoo or any internet marketing solution that you're using, of course, you can track where your ads are coming from and if they're actually working for you. And this is going to show up in your shopping cart to tell you that this could say Google, this could say Yahoo, this one could say newsletter sent out, and at the end you're going to find out if that newsletter actually worked for you. And should you use that again? Then you have an affiliate system. If you want, you can say that your affiliate program pays 10%. You can give a description, and you can then load up collateral for banners and things that your clients can use, and it'll actually have their affiliate tracking ID in there. And of course it's going to tell them whether they made a sale and how much their commission is, and then you can then send them a check once a month. That's a nice way to get your website out to 50, 60, 70,000 people selling and marketing for you. So you also have the mobile shopping cart. You have built-in mobile system, meaning that your website can be a mobile site so people can shop. 40, 50, 60% of the people are now looking at websites through their iPad, and they're looking at websites through their they're Android phones, and so you want your website to be mobile. Not only that, we all believe as internet marketers, first and foremost, at some point, Google and the other search engines are going to begin to discount and remove websites from the search engines that are not mobile compatible. It's that simple. Why? Because with 50 to 60% of the people searching, they want a website that looks right through their mobile phone. If not, they're going to try to find a provider that gives them the best results for mobile. Okay, so make sure your website is ready. We have a built-in help and marketing section, so you can go in and discover how to market your website, keep track of all of your stats, so you can see how many people are actually visiting your website on an ongoing basis. So you can click on stats, and this is a fairly new website, so there's not much in there. But we do the same kind of reporting when it comes to having a store. We want you to be informed. We want you to know which keywords and which search engines are pulling in your information. Same thing with the store manager. You can run reports and sales reports and coupons and tracking codes. Which ones are actually working? Which are your top products? Are people going to your shopping cart? Are they converting into customers, or are they abandoning your shopping cart? And if so, maybe you can put a video right in there where the customer is right before they get ready to check out, to say thank you, you've gotten this far, we're looking forward to working with you, just as a reminder. And whatever you want to tell them to get them over the hump will actually work for you to help increase your sales. Folks, this is basically speed dating. I'm trying to give you as much information as quickly as possible. Keep in mind, this is probably one of the most advanced systems for building your website. You can either do it yourself or hire us to build it for you and with you. And what will happen is you can get on a web conference with me or with one of our representatives. And basically with that web conference, you can watch right over my shoulder and you can say, can you make that a different color? And I'll go in and I'll click on design, I'll click on colors, and I'll change the color for you. And then you can give it a thumbs up that's the color you want. I can load in your logo, I'll build the website for you, or we could change the design altogether and we can go in and select something completely different in terms of layout, and I will build your website for you. Probably within an hour, 2 hours, your website is done, built, live, and on the internet. Now remember, a website is never really done. You're always tweaking, you're always changing, you're always making adjustments. Thanks for your time. I'll talk to you soon.